if creating content or staying more consistent on YouTube or Instagram is something that you want to do, or basically in any content creation route or route that you might take or you have taken, then this video is for you. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This video is basically about how I batch create to stay more consistent and to remain consistent on both, especially YouTube and then on Instagram. I'm basically going to be showing you how I batch create content. Like in a day I can create like 3 to 5 content or 4 content or 2 to 3 content, depending on how many content plan that I have created already. So my consistency for the past 2 to 3 months has been tight. Like it has been tight. Or let's say since the beginning of this year, except for last month. Throughout last month, like I basically took an unplanned break from posting anything on YouTube. I've put out more content than I could have ever imagined. So I started posting twice a week this year. Like I made that decision to start posting twice a week early this year. If you watched my my video on the goals, on my 2021 goals, you would hear that I actually took that decision to start posting twice a week on YouTube, which was every Sunday and every Wednesday. But I decided to change my schedule, my uploading schedule, to Mondays and Thursdays. Why? Because this channel is actually still growing and I'd love to try out other things just to see which works better. So yeah, I have changed my uploading schedule, just in case you've not noticed, to Mondays and Thursdays, which still makes like twice a week. In order to be consistent and to stay consistent here on YouTube, I have to put out like 6 to 8 content per month. If I have to upload twice a week and we have 4 weeks in a month, that means 4 times 2, which is going to give us 8. So in a month I am supposed to post or upload nothing less than 8 contents. And to do this, which is not easy at all.
See, anywhere you see me, just hug me or dash me money because I have earned it. Okay?
I have to film like twice in a week, and I also have to batch create just to be able to meet up to that standard I have set for myself, which is uploading twice a week. Now, to help me do this efficiently, I need to have a plan, which is very important. I have to have days when I film, edit, and upload. I also need to have rest days just to avoid burnout, which is very, very real. So earlier in the year, I created content ideas which I would love to film on Excel all through to September, October. I haven't filmed some of the content on this list, but I have done most of them. If you are wondering how I get this much content, you can check out this video on the screen as well as this video up here. There you can find out how to get more content ideas for you to create, especially when you have a creator's block. Anyways, after sourcing or after getting my content ideas, the next thing I have to do is to actually plan those contents, like create a script, write a script, plan it out before I actually film. To plan out my videos, I use either of these 2 methods, which are word for word or bullet points. Depending on which you want to use, you have to be very detailed just so that you don't miss an important message that you might want to pass across to your audience. And especially just so that you do not go off course, like you do not start saying something that is not related to what we are talking about here. This is something that every creator, every creative should do or have to do, no matter the type of content that you want to create. You always have to script it out just so that you have a flow of what that video might look like. It helps make everything easier, plus you can always write out something, a very important detail that you would want to add to your video, or a very important detail that you might want to add when you're editing. So planning a content or scripting a content is something that no creative should joke with. There are some other ways with which you can write out your content plan or your content ideas, which is the almighty paper and pen. You can either write it on a paper, or you can type it out on your phone or on your laptop. There are so many other ways with which you can write out your content ideas. And I also have a video up here showing you how to script or how to plan out a content that you would love to film. So you can as well check this link up here. Personally, I use all three of these methods because there are some times that ideas can pop into your head when you don't have a paper with you or you have your phone. So immediately I get any idea, I just type it out on my phone. Once I do this, the next thing is to actually start filming. Like most of us, before I actually start filming, I have to set up my space and then do my makeup. Now for my makeup, what I try to do, seeing that I might be filming about 3 to 5 contents, what I try to do with my makeup is to do something that is really mild, that can accommodate all the content that I would be filming or all the content that I will be creating for YouTube. What I do is I just do one makeup and then use it all through to the 5th content. That is if I actually have like 5 videos to make, instead of you doing one makeup for one content and going back to do another makeup for another content, and it's stressful. So I just do one makeup that covers every other content that I might be creating that particular day, after which I start filming. Once I am done filming the first content, all I need to do is just change my top, redo my hair if I have to, sit down and then film the second content, and then I would repeat the same step if I have a 3rd content, a 4th and a 5th content. So it's just about changing your top and then moving ahead to create that content. I sometimes take breaks in between content, but because I love to film at night, most of the times I don't. I just take water and probably have some biscuits or peanuts or whatever is around or whatever I have at the time. All of this is work and it takes up energy. So you need to either keep drinking water or keep eating your chocolate or a protein bar, or take coffee or something just so that you stay alive. Now moving on to some of the apps I use to help me stay on point in terms of content creation and in terms of consistency. The first one I'll be talking about is Microsoft Excel, and I also use Asana. I actually just found out about this app like some less than 2 months ago, and this app is amazing. I will not be able to show you guys what that app does here on this video. I might probably make another separate video for that tutorial, but that app is amazing. The name of the app is Asana. What a nice name. So at the start of a new month or any new month, I tend to write out the content I would like to produce or I would like to film for that particular month. So now I make sure that I have like 2 contents to create in a day. Most of the times I film on Mondays and then on Thursdays. So I make sure that for Mondays I have 2 videos, Thursdays I have 2 videos. That way it allows me produce more videos, that even if I want to be generous enough with you guys, I can actually put out more than 8 contents. But I make sure that I film nothing less than 2 contents in a day. It's easier for me to know what content I'll be filming on a particular day, and it also helps me know what to plan concerning that content. I do all of this from the content ideas that I already have, that I showed you guys earlier on my Excel, and this just helps me move faster, and it definitely does help my consistency because I already know what content I'll be creating. I already have the content planned out. I already know the day I'll be filming, and I already know the day I'll be uploading it. So it makes everything easier. It's more like I have a routine. That's basically what it is. More like I have a routine and I follow through on that routine, except when, you know, we're human beings, unforeseen circumstances, or probably you're not just feeling like it on a particular day. Aside that, I make sure that I follow through on every other thing. So it definitely helps my consistency in the long run, which is our goal. Basically, we have come to the end of this video. I sure do hope that this video helped you in some way, in any way at all. If it did, please don't hesitate to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know how it helped you. Let me know what days you planned out to actually film, upload and edit. Let me know if you have rest days, you know, basically your whole routine, how you source for content and all of that. I would love to know that. If you're seeing this face for the first time, Hi, my name is Eva Anthony. Welcome to my channel. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to my channel. Is that red button down below? It's free. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment section. I hope to see you in one of my other videos, either the next one or the previous one. But until then, stay safe, stay blessed, take care, and I'ma see you later. Bye.